Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So here is the direction for question. Answer the following question based on the information given below. So we have discussed this text and we understood what this text is all about. Um, this text indicates about the idea pertinent to exploring the paradigm shift in physics brought about by the quantum revolution, right? Um, At the same time, it also stated about or introduced a new complex understanding of atomic behavior and the limitations of classical physics. It highlights the development of quantum mechanics, the philosophical implication of its principles, and the debates surrounding its interpretation, particularly the role of Bohr's complementary. Isn't it? That is what? Complementary. So that is what you can point out the main idea of the text. And if you talk about the text, the tone of the text or the tone of the passage, it is informative, informative, and analytical one, analytical one. So, and its aim is to provide a clear explanation of the complex ideas and historical context of quantum mechanics while addressing the philosophical and scientific debates of the era. Beside that, also we can find out the style of the passage is we can say it's a descriptive and expository, right? Descriptive and expository, expository, isn't it? Using detailed examples and references to prominent physicists to elucidate the key concepts and debates of quantum mechanics. It employs a narrative approach to present historical developments and theoretical discussions, making complex ideas accessible to the reader. Now moving to the question which is given here. What does the question ask here? Which of the following is not true about the impact of quantum revolution? Right? That is what the question it asks. Let's look at the each choice and find out the appropriate answer. Um, so the first option stated that it challenged the predictability of the universe. Now, if we look into this, it challenged the predictability of the universe. If you look into that, the passage talks about what? The overthrow of the deterministic view, right? Deterministic view. So, and where everything is nothing but called as a predetermined, predetermined, isn't it? This directly implies a challenge to predictability. Therefore, you can say that predetermined means that something called as already decided. And these are the things directly imply what a challenge to predictability. So, therefore, we can say that it stands true in the context of the passage, right? So in that case, we cannot consider it is not true about the impact of quantum revolution. So hence, option one is the incorrect one. Option two, it stated it offered a revision of atomic models. Now, if you look into this option two, it is also incorrect because the the classical model of the atom, classical model of the atom, right? With the electrons orbiting the nucleus is caused no use by the quantum revolution, necessitating new models, and therefore it also stands true in the context of the passage. So hence we consider option two cannot be the means appropriate answer to it. So look at the option three. What does option three stated? Option 3 stated it offered a definitive, right, explanation for electron behavior. So you can say that option 3 is contrasting with 2, as the passage highlights the limitations of classical physics, isn't it? So, in understanding the electron's behavior, it describes you can say that probabilistic, right? So in that case, if you talk about that, option three, right, indicates nothing but directly contradicts this core idea. So we could say that means though it indicates that or it describes the probabilistic nature of the electron's world and the inability to predict its behavior with uh, absolute certainty, right? Option three directly contradicts this core idea by suggesting a definite explanation which is not supported by the passage. So hence we can say option three is a correct one, right? Look at the option four. It stated it challenged the adequacy of classical physics. Now, in that case, option four, which is incorrect, and also we can say that the passage emphasizes the limitations of classical physics in describing the quantum area. Therefore, we can say it stands true in the context of the passage, and we can consider this one will be true about the impact of the quantum revolution. Hence, option 1, 2, and 4 are true about the impact of the quantum revolution, whereas option 3, which is incorrect as it stated a definite explanation for electron behavior, which is not true about the impact of the quantum revolution. Hence, the answer option should be option 3. I hope you understood. That's all. Thank you.